Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to SV Electronics. Today, as you can see, there is one broken TV. This is a Panasonic 40 inches TV. As you can see, this is the model number, and this contains inside this TV only one motherboard and one power supply. Now, as you can see, I was fixed brand new display in this TV. Now it's working, everything fine. If you have any problems like this, you can contact me. My contact link in description below, or I will pin my contact details in comment sections first comment. Thanks for watching this video.